Hello guys, I'm Amy here and you're watching Android Power. So in this video I will be unboxing Redmi Note 5 Pro and will give you a quick configuration overview about the device. I will tell you some features of the device, and the good thing about the device is it's made in India, and as you can see from my box it has a SAR rating of 1.2, and I bought the 4GB RAM model with 64GB of internal storage, and in my opinion 6GB RAM model will not make any difference. It's just a price gimmick, and in my opinion Xiaomi is taking too much for 6GB RAM model. And guys, this is a retail unit and I bought it from the Flipkart flash sale, and let's check it out what we get in the box. And as expected, Xiaomi is implementing silicone cases with their devices, and that's a nice thing. And the good thing about the case is it's in black and it won't get the yellowish tint, and the quality of the cover is pretty good. It's not that bad. And we also get the user manuals, and I don't think so anybody have read it in their lifetime. I also haven't read it in my lifetime. So let's keep this thing to the side and let's quickly check the charger. And as you can see from my charger, it's a 5 volt 2 amp charger, so not a fast charger, but technically Snapdragon 636 chipset supports Qualcomm quick charging too. And I don't understand why Xiaomi is giving micro USB in 2K18. It should be type C cable in the box. And apart from that we get SIM ejector tool, and that's all we get in the box. So let's keep these things to the side and quickly look at the device itself. The build quality of the device is very good, and talking about the design, it's looked like iPhone X from the back, and it has the dual cameras on the back with dual tone LED flash, and also it has a fingerprint sensor on the back. On the bottom we have Mi branding over here, and on the right side of the device we have power button and volume rockers, and on the top we have secondary noise cancellation and IR blaster. And I really like Xiaomi is giving IR blaster to their devices, so it's really a nice thing. And on the left we have SIM tray. We can either put a 2 nano SIM or a SD card. And on the bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack with micro USB port, and we have a single speaker on the right side. And on the front we have 20 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash. And let's power on the device, and by the time it boots up I will give you quick specs overview. The Redmi Note 5 Pro has 5.99-inch Full HD IPS LCD display, and it comes with Snapdragon 636 processor, and it also has Adreno 509 GPU, and it comes with 4GB and 6GB variant with 64GB of internal storage on both, and it has 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera on the back with dual tone LED flash, and on the front it has 12 megapixel front camera with flash. It has 4000 milliampere battery, and it has all the basic sensor, and it's on Android 7.111 with MIUI 9 on the top. I have set it up my Google account, so quickly go to the settings and check the storage, and out of 64GB we get 52GB internal storage, but we can either put a SD card, so storage should not be an issue. And also check the Android version, so it's running on Android 7.1.1, so not Oreo out of the box, it's still on Nougat. We also have a system update, and I think Xiaomi will give Oreo to this device very soon. And I also registered my fingerprint, and as you can see the fingerprint is blazingly fast. You just need to tap on the fingerprint and it instantly unlocks the device within a second. And as you can see it unlocks quickly, so the fingerprint on the Redmi Note 5 Pro is very impressive. The main highlighting point of this device is the camera, so let's quickly fire up the camera and check some samples. So this should gives you an idea how's the camera performance of Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it also has a portrait mode on the both and on the front as well. And I'll show you some pictures with this device so you can have an idea how's the camera performance on this device. So let's check out some samples.